Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey everybody, wrapping up a beautiful Tuesday across the state. How about that? We made it into the upper 70s. Couple of spots hit 80 degrees this afternoon, but that's still below average. We did see some scattered cumulus clouds across southern Kentucky. Still seeing some of those out there right now, but once the sun goes down, a lot of those clouds are going to fade away. Now, if we look off to the west, you'll notice there is a front here working into the central plains. That front and out ahead of it, little disturbance aloft in the jet stream is going to try to sneak our way into the next 36 to 48 hours. There is some shower activity associated with that, but it's quickly fading away because it's working into the drier air mass that we have across the Ohio Valley. So that means that as that disturbance moves in, it likely will still have some cloud cover associated with it, but rainfall doesn't look to be the case for our neck of the woods. And we'll show that to you right here as we advance Futurecast. You'll notice that front that I was tracking. It's at the top left of your screen here. We advance through the evening. There are those scattered clouds, mainly been across southern Kentucky. Overnight, I think most of those are fading away. This model is likely overdoing the coverage of clouds for tonight, but watch what goes on for your Wednesday afternoon. Scattered cumulus clouds around. It'll be a warm day again. I think a lot of us have a good chance to hit 80 or into the lower 80s. We work our way into Thursday. Still a disturbance moving in as this front to the north tries to drop in here, and winds may start to shift more back out of the north. That still likely keeps the humidity in check, keeping that drier air in place that I was mentioning, but temperatures should start to creep back up a little more, low to mid 80s for your Thursday. Into the day on Friday, though, that is also the continuation of the warmer air that begins to build in. So let's talk about tonight's lows. I think a lot of us are down into the 50s as we work our way into tomorrow morning, maybe a couple of isolated spots dipping into the 40s. Heading into the temperatures for tomorrow, look at this, a lot of lower 80s across the state as we're watching those temperatures get a little bit warmer. We may have some spots with those scattered clouds around kind of hanging on to the upper 70s. Now, the next big thing, focusing on a continuation of warmer temperatures building in from the west and overall hotter air mass. Look at these high temperatures going toward the end of the week and then into the weekend, likely creeping up back to around 90 degrees. Again, after all, it still is summer. The official start of fall isn't here quite yet. But so what that means is in the next couple of days, lower 80s tomorrow, some low to mid 80s Thursday with scattered clouds. For the next LSC game that you can see broadcast right here on Fox 56 on Friday, it is going to be a warm one out there. Humidity still not bad though, but we get into the weekend and creeping upper 80s to near 90 degrees. I will introduce a small shower chance Monday into Tuesday as a front tries to slip south, but there is not a lot of moisture with it. That's just to account for maybe an isolated shower. Beyond this, it looks like temperatures are hot again for most of next week. Back to you.